Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
The time travelers?
Hey Liam, did you finish that essay on historical figures you most admire?
Almost. I'm stuck between Ada Lovelace and Leonardo da Vinci.
Two fascinating choices. Why those two?
Well, Ada's creativity with the analytical engine blew my mind. Imagine programming in the 1800s. And Da Vinci's artistic and scientific genius? He literally predicted helicopters.
Haha, yeah, talk about ahead of his time. But you know what's even crazier? I'm working on a science project about building a time machine.
Really? Science project or SCI-Fi fantasy?
I'm serious. We've got the theories, the tech is advancing. Who knows what's possible? Imagine stepping into Da Vinci's workshop or seeing Ada debug her first algorithm live.
Okay, now you're getting my imagination fired up. But wouldn't that mess with history? The butterfly effect and all that.
That's the ethical debate, right? Maybe we just observe, not interact. Think of it as historical tourism from afar.
Like invisible time tourists. Now that's a twist on the concept. Maybe I'll incorporate that into my essay. Thanks for the inspiration, Emma.
The calf philosophers.
So, Maya, have you been pondering the meaning of life lately?
Can't help it, Aisha. Every sunset, every falling leaf feels like a reminder of our fleeting existence.
I get that, but maybe that's what makes it precious. Like tasting a delicious dessert knowing it won't last forever.
But why is there dessert at all? Why are we here, experiencing emotions, facing challenges? Is it all some cosmic joke?
Maybe it's a journey, Maya. We learn, we grow, we connect. Maybe the meaning isn't a destination, but the path itself.
Interesting perspective. But what about suffering? Doesn't that contradict the point of a meaningful journey?
Maybe suffering is part of the learning, Maya. It tests our resilience, pushes us to evolve. Like the fire that tempers steel, making it stronger.
So even our hardships have a purpose? That's comforting, actually. Makes me want to face them with more courage.
Exactly. Let's not just exist, Maya. Let's live, grow, and find meaning in every step of this beautiful, bittersweet journey.
The book club debate.
Okay, guys, who hated the ending of One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest? Raise your hands.
Right? McMurphy deserved better. His rebellion deserved a victory, not that.
But wasn't that the point? McMurphy's spirit was crushed, but the other patients learned courage from him. It's a harsh reality, but a powerful one.
I agree. The ending is tragic, yes, but it's also hopeful. The chief breaks free, a symbol of hope even in the face of oppression.
But doesn't that hope feel hollow? McMurphy, the catalyst for change, is gone. It leaves you feeling empty.
Maybe that's the intention, David. To make us feel uncomfortable, question the status quo. It's not supposed to be a feel-good story.
Exactly. It's a call to action, reminding us that we can't be complacent against injustice. McMurphy's sacrifice may have been tragic, but it's a fire that can ignite change.
And isn't that powerful storytelling? Making us think, feel, and potentially become agents of change ourselves?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.